This business is over 1,000 years old, but it's making more millionaires than all of the spicy business models that gurus are slinging all over the internet. And I'm not over exaggerating, because just my sales team made $127,000 in commission paid out last month by just helping families protect their wealth and get prepared for retirement. And some of our sales reps are taking home over $400,000 a year. And the beautiful part of all this is it's so much easier than setting up a full-fledged online business with super high startup costs and super high risk. Now we're leading a team of over 18 sales reps that have collectively made in just commissions over $1 million in the last year alone. And we did it all without cold calling, door knocking, or any of the baby boomer BS that most people hate about the life insurance industry. So I'm going to show you today the exact blueprint that we use to take completely beginners to six-figure earners in just a few months. And it's the same exact step-by-step blueprint that we used to take Mike, who had zero experience, to $16,000 paid out in commission his very first month. So you're going to learn how to get licensed and sell in under 14 days, the modern marketing system that we're using to drive qualified bookings to our sales reps' calendars every single day, the exact scripts and sales processes that are working right now, and most importantly, how to build long-term wealth while actually helping families with something that they want and need. So if you're looking for the best path to financial freedom in 2025, then this video is just going to show you how to copy our success. And we're going to hold nothing back. You're going to see our actual systems, our real numbers, and the complete inside look at how to make crazy money inside this industry while genuinely helping people. And you don't need any experience in sales, no technical skills, and there's zero startup cost. Also, on this channel, we give everything away for free, so there is nothing to buy from us. There's no courses, there's no coaching. You're just going to get everything for free. This is going to be exactly how you can go from zero to making more than a doctor's salary this year. And I know that's a bold claim, but you're going to learn exactly how this 1,000-year-old industry is creating more millionaires than Silicon Valley today. All right, so I'm going to start by telling you the brutal truth about making money in 2025. Most of the time, the fancy new business models are also the highest risk and have the highest startup cost. Of course, there's money to be made, but it's untested, oftentimes super saturated, meaning everybody's doing it, and the success rate is always like 0.1%. So yeah, overall, very risky. And those shiny objects and flashy business models make most entrepreneurs overlook one of the most time-tested, stable industries on earth, life insurance. But this isn't going to be what most people think of when they think about life insurance, because we've completely modernized how it all works. The insurance industry is worth $1.4 trillion. That's way bigger than crypto, AI, and social media all combined. And unlike all those volatile markets, this industry is institutionalized, meaning most people know that they should have it and need it, and they're used to paying for it. But here's where this gets really interesting. Right now, over 10,000 baby boomers are retiring every single day. And each one of them needs to protect their retirement savings, set up estate plans, and secure their family's future. We're talking about the largest transfer of wealth in human history, over $68 trillion. And guess what? The old school insurance agents that have been dominating the industry for the last 40 years, they're retiring too. They don't understand digital marketing, they can't connect with younger families, and they're going to completely miss out on the biggest opportunity in life insurance's history. And this is created like the perfect storm for younger, ambitious entrepreneurs just like us to step in and build a lean, cash-flowing business basically overnight while genuinely helping people. I mean, the average insurance policy that we sell pays anywhere between $500 upwards of $3,000 for like a 45-minute phone call. And our average sales reps are closing anywhere from 5 to 7 policies every single week. That's $12,000 upwards of $50,000 in 1 month paid direct deposit to our sales reps' bank accounts while they work from home at the comfort of their own desk on their computer. But I know what you're already thinking. Hey Hunter, if life insurance is so great, why does the industry have such a high churn rate and why do so many people fail? And you're absolutely right to ask that, because I've lost count how many people I've watched come into the industry, they try the traditional business model and they completely fail. And here's why. The old school way of selling life insurance is dead. cold calling doesn't work, door knocking is a huge waste of time, and trying to be that pestering idiot that sells their family and friends life insurance and getting blacklisted from the Thanksgiving feast is not the right way to go about it. That's the stuff that's going to kill your business before it even starts. The life insurance agents that fail are always making the same mistakes. They're using outdated strategies that are completely low leverage. But there is a new way that is simpler, easier, and of course better than all the outdated strategies. And it allows our guys to get ahead and make those big commission checks by leveraging digital marketing and simple but effective systems to build a cash flowing business without having to do any of the crap we just said. So now I'm going to walk you through exactly how we're doing it. Because building a successful life insurance business in 2025 comes down to mastering 3 key elements. Number 1, modern lead generation. Number 2, low pressure selling. And number 3, using the right systems to scale. First, let's talk about modern lead generation, because this is where 90% of new agents fail. Unlike the old days, we're not cold calling, we're not door knocking, and we're not going to pester family and friends and not be invited to the Christmas party. Instead, we use what I like to call value-first frameworks to attract high net worth clients that are already looking for what we sell. And here's how it works. We create educational content that answers the exact questions our ideal prospects are already asking. Things like how to protect your retirement if the market crashes, or best way to leave tax-free retirement to your kids. The key here is we're not selling, we're educating. This is how we become the consultant and authority. Our average cost per qualified lead is $12 compared to some industry averages, which might be $70, $80, $90. The second component is what we call consultative selling. And this is exactly how we're closing 60% of all the calls we take versus traditional methods, which might be 10, 20% if you're lucky. And instead of pushing products, we just use a simple 5-step consultative process. Number 1, a deep discovery of the client's situation. Number 2, a clear explanation of their outcomes. Number 3, custom solution design. Number 4, addressing concerns proactively. And number 5, a low pressure close that makes people feel comfortable with taking action. And if you want to see the exact sales script that we use on our calls, I'm going to link it towards the end of the video. So watch till the end so you can just click on that. The average policy we write pays anywhere from $500 to $3,000 in upfront commissions. And with our conversion process that I'm about to teach you, even brand new agents off the street are normally closing 6 to 8 new policies in their very first month. That means you could be looking at $4,000 to $18,000 in commissions in your very first month. And it only goes up from there the more experience that you get. And this is where component 3 comes in, using the right systems to help you scale. Once you've mastered the basics, we then leverage the power of systems and creating relationships so that you can get a ton of referrals every single month. And with the right process in place, each client you close will bring you 2 to 3 referrals, meaning your business can explode organically and you don't have to abuse your piggy bank on marketing budget every month. Let me show you a real life example. Tyler joined our sales team last August with 0 experience in this industry. And in his first month, he was able to close 8 policies for $9,400 in commission. Not bad, right? But watch what happens next. Month 2, he closed 14 deals for $12,800. Month 3, he closed 18 deals for $28,400. And month 4, he closed 32 policies for $37,600 in commission. Now, fast forward to today, and Tyler is consistently making over $40,000 a month in commission. And Tyler's doing it all from the comfort of his own home with his family and his new baby. And at this point, we have had dozens of agents go through this same exact blueprint to build a sustainable 6-figure income without a ton of complexity or risk. Now, let me show you exactly how to get started in this business, because this is where everything we've talked about becomes real money inside of your bank account. The first step, of course, is getting licensed, and I'm going to make this incredibly simple for you. Here's exactly what you need to do. Number 1, pick your state license. Normally, if you go work for an insurance company, oftentimes they'll cover that cost for you. It might be $200, $300 to go get licensed. For example, we actually cover that for all of our agents. Number 2, complete the course. Normally, there's a practice course when getting licensed that either an insurance company can provide for you, and again, just like us, we provide that for our agents. Most people finish the study course within 5 to 7 days. And we go above and beyond for our people. We send them like extra study videos and extra practice tests so that they can just ace it the first time. And number 3 is obviously just to pass that exam. The test is pretty easy, it's multiple choice, and the way that we do it, we have a 94% 94% success rate with our people passing it the first time. Once you're licensed, here's where the real training begins, and I'm going to walk you through, for example, how we do it. Week 1 is foundation building. This is completing our core sales trainings, setting up your digital marketing systems, and learning our proven consultation process. Week 2 is lead generation launch. This is starting to run targeted ads, and we just help our agents with this. And it's starting to get to know the market better. Week 3 is first sales. This is starting to take real appointments, get live dial coaching, and make sure that your first commissions are starting to roll in. By week 4, you should be fully operational and be consistently making 5 figures every single month. So if you're really excited hearing why this business model is way better than all the other flashy business models, I'm about to make it even sweeter for you. Because here's how we can help you completely for free. If you remember Tyler from earlier, who's consistently making over $40,000 a month in commission, well, he just followed our exact success blueprint. So what me and my team are doing completely for free is helping anybody that wants to get started go through our exact success path so that they can hit consistent 5-figure months in commission. So if you're interested in my team helping your life insurance business grow completely for free, then I've just included an application in the description below. So if you've heard enough and you're ready to get started, then just hit the link in the description. But if you want to learn more about the life insurance industry and how you can make a ton of money while actually serving families with integrity, then hit this video right here. Peace.